Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use blue color. B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids again use blue color and draw C. C for cat. C for car. Kids now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. Kids now draw F. F for fish. F for fan. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw G. G for goat. G for grapes. And use red color. Red color. H. H for a hand. H for a helicopter. Kids again use red color and draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. And use black color. Black color. K. K for kite. K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids now draw M. M for moon. M for monkey. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen. And again use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids now draw R. R for rose. R for rat. And use blue color. Blue color. S. S for sun. S for sheep. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids night U. U for umbrella. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. Kids now draw W. W for wolf. W for whale. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. And use red color. Red color. Y. Y for yak. Kids again use red color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. Black color. O N E 1. 2. T W O 2. 3. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. S I X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. N I N E 9. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E N 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.